Guntur district. Today I want to discuss to you about the atomic mass. We are all know about the element names and their atomic numbers, but it will be little bit difficult to remember the atomic mass. Now I will show you one trick how we have to remember the atomic mass of the 30 elements. For the 30 elements I have to divide it into 3 groups, 1 to 10. If you observe that one, hydrogen to neon, one group, and second one is 11 to 20, second group, and third one is 21 to 30. Now I will show you that how we have to remember the first group elements and their atomic mass. In this I have to divide it into even number elements and the odd number elements. For example, I have taken the even number. Even number is equal to atomic number into into 2, that is equal to the mass number. If you are taking the odd number, atomic number into 2 plus 1. This is for the first and second groups. Now I will show you that first hydrogen, we are all know about that one. There are some exemptions also there. For a hydrogen atom, I am showing that in the pink, and next beryllium is the exempted, and nitrogen is the, these three are exempted in the first group. Now I will calculate the atomic mass of the first 10 elements. Here we are all know about the hydrogen, its atomic mass is 1 only. When it comes to the helium, that is the even number into 2. That means 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Helium atomic mass is 4. When it comes to the lithium, that is the odd number. Odd number comes to atomic number into 2 plus 1. That is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6 plus 1. That is equal to total 7. When it comes to the beryllium, that is exempted. Now I will tell you that the boron atomic number 5, that is 5 into 2 plus 1, that is equal to total 11. Its atomic mass is 11. When it comes to the carbon is the even number, 6 into 2, that is equal to 12. And also nitrogen is also exemption is there. For when it comes to the oxygen atomic number 8, that into 2, that is equal to 16. When it comes to the fluorine, odd number 9 into 2 plus 1, that is equal to 19. And also 10th one is the neon, that's 10 into 2, that is equal to 20 is the atomic mass. Here there are two places, one is beryllium and second one is the nitrogen. How we have to remember the atomic mass of the beryllium? Here it is the even number. Even though it is the even number, it has, as we have to take in the odd numbers, we have to take in as the odd numbers. For the example, beryllium atomic number 4 into 2 plus 1, that is equal to total 9. As we are taking for the odd numbers, for particularly beryllium, we are taking as the odd number. Even though it is the even number, we have to take in the formula for the as the odd numbers. And also nitrogen is also the same. Here the nitrogen is the odd number, but we are taken as the even number. That means what is the formula for that? Even number into 2 means in the same way we have to take in as the 7 into 2, that is the 14. This is the atomic mass of the first 10 elements. When we are going to the second one, that is sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, and sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. here only one argon is there, that is will be the exempted. The remaining all and as we are going to the even numbers, odd numbers, in the same way we are going to write the mass numbers. When it comes to the sodium, that is the odd number 11 into 2 plus 1, that is equal to 23. And next, when it comes to the magnesium, 12 into 2, that is equal to 24. And next, when it comes to the aluminium, that is the odd number, 12 into 13 into 2 plus 1, that is equal to 27. As we are going to the same, how we have to calculate it? By depending upon these formulas, we are giving the atomic mass to the all the elements in the group. But when it comes to the argon, that will be the 40. 40 is the atomic mass of the argon, as well as the calcium also the same 40 atomic mass for the calcium atom. This is in this way we have to calculate the atomic mass for the second group, and last one we are going to the third one. By depending, we have to remember some numbers for calculating the atomic mass of the 21 to 30 elements. Those are, first you have to remember the 3, 45, 45, next 45, 3 45s are there, after that again 3, and last one is 55. If first one is the 3 and second 45, 45, 45, 3 times 45, and after that again 3, and last it will be the 55. Okay, now I will show you how we have to calculate for the 21 to 30. As we are going to the 21, that is 21 into 2, that is equal to 42 plus 3. How much means? That is the 45. Atomic mass of the scandium is 45, like this. When we are going to the vanadium, we are, that is the 23 atomic number, 23 into 2 plus, what is the number? That is the 5. That means 23 into 2, 46 plus 5. That is the 51. Its atomic mass is 51. Its atomic mass is 51. As we are going to the more iron, if you are taken that iron 26 into 2 plus 4, that is equal to 26 into 2, that is the 52 plus 4, that is the 56. In the same way, what we have to written here, in the same way we are calculating the more atomic masses for the more atoms. Here I am leaving the some spaces, just you have to complete that columns and you have to send me to the number. Thank you to one and all.